I am back with my weekly grocery haul. I went shopping on a Friday this week. I've been kind of a little bit more loosey-goosey with my meal planning and my grocery shopping lately and just kind of going whenever it's convenient. So I actually went in-store to do all of this shopping. I went to Aldi and Walmart, and my son put everything on the table for me, so it's not quite as neat and organized as I typically would have it, but it'll do. So everything is kind of mixed together. I'm not gonna differentiate between stores. I will post pictures of the receipts at the end so you guys can see all the prices of everything. But I spent $75 at Walmart and I think $45 at Aldi. So I got some of this uncured ham. My husband really likes this. I will make his sandwiches for his lunches for the week with this. I also picked up these. I've never had these. I don't know if they're going to be any good, but they intrigued me, so I picked them up. They're the egg, potato, cheese, sauce, and sausage breakfast burritos from Walmart, so I'm hoping that these are going to be good. We were all out of ketchup, so I picked up that. Robbie asked me for some pistachio pudding, so I grabbed a couple of those. Got some of these peanut butter bars for my husband's lunches. Tomato soup. I figured we'd do tomato soup and grilled cheese this week. I picked up a couple of these sausage and gravy breakfast bowls. You guys know how much I love those. So there's one there. And there's another one all the way over here. Like I said, my son put everything on the table, so not quite as organized as usual. This I grabbed at Aldi. This is gross. Don't get these. These are no good. Yuck. Gallon of milk. A bag of the original potato chips. I got some Texas toast, the 5 cheese toast, and that I'm going to serve with the meat lasagna that I picked up. I got some pretzel pieces and some chili cheese corn chips, a dozen eggs, a thing of vegetable oil for baking, some of these Swiss rolls, some chewy granola bars, a couple of boxes of the au gratin potatoes. Aldi had grapes on sale for 89 cents a pound, so I picked up those. I've been craving brownies, so I got the Ghirardelli triple fudge brownie mix. Hopefully those will be good. Some Granny Smith apples. Picked up some of these little mini muffins. We had some in the car. That's why that's open. Got some of the peppermint bark coffee creamer. Some of these pepper jack cheese crackers, and also some peanut butter crackers. I got the big thing of Swiss Miss. It's that time of year where we're drinking lots of hot cocoa. For cheese, I picked up some sliced sharp cheddar, some of these American processed cheese slices, and a couple of blocks of cheese as well. So I got some Colby and some Colby and Monterey Jack. Picked up some coffee creamer for my husband. They were out of the Walmart brand, so I had to get the Coffee Mate one, which, interestingly enough, my husband doesn't like quite as much. For bread, I picked up a loaf of wheat bread and also 2 loaves of white bread. What else do I have here that I haven't shown you? I have some cat food. This is what my cat likes. He likes this better than like Purina or anything else that we've given him. I got a pack of the caffeine-free Diet Coke. Moving along this side of the table, picked up 2 of these little advent calendars for my kiddos for in December. Hopefully this year they won't eat them all in like 2 days. No self-control. Some home-style waffles. I thought those would be good for a breakfast option for the kiddos this week. And lastly, I bought this beautiful cable knit throw blanket. I've been wanting one of these. I found it at Aldi. This was 15 bucks. I thought it was a great deal. So it's super soft, super beautiful. I think it's going to be a great addition to my living room decor. So that's everything. Seems like I bought more than that, but that's everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Stick around to see the receipt so you can see what I spent. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!